guys, welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY, and in today's video I want to share with you guys how I decorated my nails with a Halloween theme, or how you can also decorate your nails for this Halloween. I'll be giving you guys 5 different ideas, and although there's still about a month left till Halloween or October 31st, I hope that this video is one of the first ones and be able to upload more Halloween videos before October 31st. So I hope that these ideas are helpful and inspiring in case you're looking for ways on how to decorate or do your nails for this Halloween. So now let's go on to the video. So for my first nail, I painted it with various layers of pink. Once these were dry, I added a last layer of glittery pink. Then I took a black nail polish and I made a circle and a rectangle on the bottom. And with the white nail polish, I added 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth to make a cute skull. The following nail is also super easy, so for this I applied some layers of lilac or light purple. Then I took a thin black nail polish and started making some lines, just like these. So these are meant to be some spider legs, and using the same nail polish I made 2 small circles in the middle, and then I finished it off with the rest of the legs. For my third nail, I decided to paint it black, but you can use any color you want since this will be the background for the actual design. So for the design, we'll be adding a spider web, so just make 3 long lines and connect them with small lines in between. Design number 4 is the easiest one, so I painted my nail with various layers of white nail polish. I also used this pure ice nail polish I got from Walmart, and I like it because it glows in the dark and it has some small bats in the actual nail polish. So first apply 1 layer so the entire nail glows in the dark, and lastly decorate with some bats. For the last nail, I decided to paint it light purple and then added a glittery coat on top, but it didn't really match with the other designs, so I just got rid of that one and started a new one. So I painted my nail with light pink and added some glittery nail polish on top. And honestly, I really liked how my nails turned out in the end. So if you have short nails like mine or they're not long enough, you can follow this same tutorial to do your nails for this Halloween. Alright guys, and this was it for today's ideas. I hope you liked them and I hope you enjoyed them, as well as I hope that these ideas were helpful in case you're looking for some inspiration or some ideas on how to decorate or do your nails for this Halloween. Or maybe you might want to follow the same tutorial in case you have short nails like mine. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. And see you on the following project. Bye guys!